Hello mga ka-faith friends! Today's Gospel is according to Mark chapter 3 verse 7 to 12. By any chance, when we think of Jesus' life, we must find time to compare. So we may feel that our lives are not hectic than Him. In our inner lives, it is important to realize that Jesus is present and speak to us individually, loving each of us unconditionally because in His presence, we actually know ourselves as who we are. For all our devotions and our faith, we will be cured, no matter what it is or how it is. Our emotional, physical, and spiritual beings, we will be healed that we may heal others too. Heal our hearts, cleanse us with God's mercy, heal our body and soul as we believe that Jesus are indeed the Son of God. Sabi nga, hindi natin mapipigilang umalis ang iba sa simbahan, pero sana wag tayo ang maging dahilan. Kung may mga magbabalik loob naman, sana hindi tayo ang maging hatlang. Let's welcome everyone kasi tayong lahat ay makasalanan, kaya sana wag naman tayong maghusgahan. Kasi sa bandang huli, ang Diyos lang ang nakakaalam ng ating patutunguhan. Basta magkaroon tayo ng pananampalataya at strong faith sa Kanya. At sana lagi po kayong maging updated sa mga gospel reflection. Please do subscribe to our YouTube channel, faithbook.ph, or i-download ang Facebook app. Pwede din po kayong mag-visit at mag-register sa www.faithbook.ph. Don't forget, God first!